Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plants, and I am a happy planner fanatic. I am totally obsessed with the happy planner. So here on my YouTube channel, I upload every single day all sorts of different happy planner content. So if you are not already, I would love to have you as one of my brand new subscribers here on my channel, and then let me know in the comments below that you have just subscribed so that we can start talking. I can get to know you, I can say thank you, all those different things. So this video, you can already tell it is set up a little bit differently. I had to zoom out quite a bit because this is my really large desktop calendar from the Happy Planner. I am gonna try to do a squad life theme on here and use a really large, taking inspiration from this really large Mambi sticker right here, this cute girl holding a little coffee. And the main focus is really trying to cover up the bright colors in this, on this page, because the desktop calendar that I chose, it matches every single month. So every single month there's this up at the top. There's always like some kind of quote, and there's always these on the side. So that's really the only challenge that I have with the desktop calendar. Otherwise, I really like how large it is. I think there's tons of space to make all sorts of lists or decorations over here, even lists up here. There's tons of space just in the one square per day. So I'm excited. I think it's going to be a little bit challenging to cover up all the colorful things, but I am excited for it. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the large sticker I'm going to use on the side. So I was going to put it like a little bit up here, but to cover up the purple down at the bottom, I was going to put this. Okay, so hopefully you can see that a little bit. So there's that, and then right above it, okay, so it's covering up the numbers, so I will just write those numbers myself. But honestly, I thought it was gonna go more into the days, but thankfully it did not. So that is great. So I'm using my Muji to just write 10 and 17 right here. Okay. And I think I can use all of these within the pages as well. So I'll go ahead and pull that out. And then at the back, I'm going to use this as a cute list down at the bottom, and also a really good way to cover up more of the purple. Then down here, way at the bottom, there's a tiny bit of purple, and I'm sorry you can't really see it. I'm really trying, but okay. So the strips I was gonna use were gonna come out of here. So I'm gonna put Joy Begins with Gratitude down here to help. Oh, I love that. To help cover up the rest of the purple. And then this whole corner should be done. Okay, now I'm gonna rotate so you guys can see that corner. So that is awesome. Very fall themed. Now, there is a page back here with some strips. Let's see what else. I could do strips right here because I want to cover up these lines. Okay, so I'm going to use the ones at the back. Okay, so I need to cover up this and this. So I actually have this really thick Post-it correction cover-up tape. And I use this, first of all, I get it on Amazon. So if you want to get it too, it's always in my Amazon favorites. But I use it whenever I need to cover up something pretty big and I don't want to, you know, use up all of my whiteout. So it's pretty much just like a big roll of white sticker tape, you know? And we'll just cover it up. It's really nice to have. Okay, in this fall sticker book, here's Pumpkin Spice Everything. It goes with, it's the right color and it goes with the right kind of theme with the pumpkin spice. So that's good. Now, things that are going on this month. Oh, this would be something good if, like a long, you know, trip, my husband being gone, something like that. I could definitely use that. So, I'm gonna put this like in this weekend. So I'm going out of town and using one of these guys to kind of cover up where it says today. Okay, good. Now, I'm thinking about using this red washi to kind of, let me see. Just kind of like cover that up, make it more of like the, visually make it a list kind of area. I do know I need to organize some things this month, so I'm gonna label this organize so I can get some stuff done down there. And I want to put this as vacation, but the vacation stickers are not the right colors. Okay, I'm thinking of using these. I have 2 appointments. The DMV, let me do this yellow. DMV on the 11th. And, no, actually that's headache appointment. And then the 14th is DMV. Okay, I think I remembered. So I can put this. We have friends coming to stay with us. Okay. Oh, and then in here was pumpkin spice everything. I wanted to use that. That'd be so cute. Oh, and then look at this fall vibes. That's fun. I'll put it on kind of like over here. This pumpkin spice, where should I put this? Right there. Okay, and then the rest of these. I'm gonna put around the pages. Where should I put these hearts? I'll make my own list up here. Put this kind of with this one. Okay, I'm gonna make my own list up here and kind of make it like a remember list, maybe. Well, I tried to keep it a little bit more simple. Only thing is, I kind of want to put some decoration right there. Wonder if I should spell something out, or let's see. Here's more pumpkin everything. You know what's funny is I don't even like pumpkin spice stuff. But I do think that it's very cute stickers. Okay, I was thinking maybe I could put like a girl or something. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna wait on labeling this because there's something in the works. I want to see if that is gonna happen, and then that's what I'm gonna use it for. But I don't wanna like speak on it right now, but just keep me in your prayers. So hopefully it happens. So sorry to be so cryptic, but anyways, okay, so I just wanted to give a reason why I'm leaving that blank. So anyways, all right, it is all done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.